because let's face it, I don't need that much more makeup, but I love more makeup. I know I didn't need it, but I wanted it. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes I unbox things, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around, give this video a thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Today, we are going through my Boxy Charm pop-up items from November, so I'm really excited. Everything finally came. It was a little slow, but that's okay. It's fine. It's here. And I really just wanted to share this stuff with you guys. So we're going to get right into it. So the first thing that I ordered was this Kors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Now, I actually purchased 2 of these because these were very affordable through pop-up. The only time I've ever used this product was when I did receive it in a Boxy Charm, and I loved it so much that when I saw it in pop-up for, I want to say $12 US each, I grabbed 2 of them. These retail for about $75+ Canadian, so this was a real steal for me. It's just a really nice night cream, and I do really like how my skin looks and feels when I use it. I've already used it, like, I've had this stuff for a few days before I could get to filming, so I have used it. I am very excited that I purchased this, so put that over here. The next thing I ordered was the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb from Purlisse. Now, I had a sample size of this that came to me in my American Influencer bundle that was the Purlisse edition. It was just a small size, and I really did enjoy it. You'll see that in an empties video if you haven't already. So I did buy this one. I don't remember how much it was, but I'm just gonna pull it out. So it's like that. Oh. So it's a decent size. I really like products from Purlisse, so I'm very excited I got this. I did get one more product from Purlisse. I also picked up this pack of coconut and rice nourishing sheet masks. It comes with 6. Purlisse sheet masks are like my favorite, so when I see them in Boxy pop-up, I always want to get them. I got the watermelon ones last time. They just come like that. I was really lucky. Maybe a year ago, I picked up a whole bunch at Winners, and every time I go to a Winners now, I'm always looking for Purlisse sheet masks, but haven't seen them. So when I saw these in pop-up, I was like putting those in my cart right away. The last skincare item that I picked up in my pop-up was the LMI Superfood Superstars Antioxidant Rich Superstars to cleanse, calm, and drench skin and hydration. So it's this trio. It comes really nicely packaged. It pops open like this. Like, the packaging is just, I was like, I didn't realize it came in like a little fancy box, but it did. So it comes with a foaming cleanser, which I'm going to pull out. So it's a superfood calm cleansing foam. It's a micellar cleanser, so that's really nice. I like how it's a pump. Then it comes with the LMI Superfood Facial Oil. So this is a nourishing facial oil. I really like my LMI Rose Collagen Facial Oil, so I'm hoping that I love this one as much. And for this kit, I think I paid $21 US for all of this. And I do know that this retails for more than that on its own. So that's why I grabbed this. And then last but not least, it does come with the Superfood Calm Hydration Juice. So this is just a facial gel. I'm really excited to try this out. All right. And that is it for skincare. I did order a few makeup items. I know I didn't need it, but I wanted it. By the time you're watching this, it will be December. I have canceled all of my subscriptions for December. It's very hard. I want to resubscribe to Boxy so I can shop the add-ons, but I know I don't need anything. I'm actually physically running out of room for my things because we have downsized and there's just not room for all of my stuff. So I did pick up 2 eyeshadow palettes and a face palette. The first eyeshadow palette that I picked up was the Artisto palette from Zoeva. That's it right there. Comes in a sleeve. I'm really excited that this was one of the items because I have one other palette from this brand that I did recently film a video with, the Caramel palette. and I got that in an Ipsy, but I was just really, this color story kind of called to me. Here, let's just give this a swatch. This is the shade Mother's House. It's, ooh, it's like an icy bluish gray. That's really pretty. It's a nice, that's a nice shadow. Let's swatch this one too. This one that's in the ground. See what we think. Oh, that's really nice. I can't wait to film a look with this palette, so get ready for it. All right, next eyeshadow palette is by Ace Beauty. This is the Scarlet Dusk palette. I have a few items from this brand that I just really love. I have one of their single shadows. It's supposed to be like a dupe for a ColourPop Super Shock shadow, and it's in the shade French Vanilla, and it's one of my favorite single eyeshadows. It's silver, it's pretty, it makes any look nice no matter what eyeshadow I'm using. So it is I am a fan of it. So I was really excited when this palette was there. So I'm just gonna pop it open. Oh, it comes with a mirror. That makes me very happy. If you know me, you know I get really excited when there's a mirror in the eyeshadow palette. So this is such a pretty palette. I'm just gonna swatch the shade Aruba here. It's just the one that's calling to me. Oh, it's nice. Beautiful. That's very pretty. Let's swatch one of these matte shades. Let's get the shade Bahamas here, because we all know the Bahamas is my most favorite place to travel, and one day I'm gonna get to go back there. I'm really excited to film with this palette. This is a color story that is for me. I do have another palette from Ace Beauty as well that is the Grandoise palette, or whatever it's called. It is a very similar color story, but this one just has more. So I'm really excited to try this. I can't wait to film with these. And then last but not least, I did order a face palette from Ace Beauty as well, because I don't have any blush palettes. So I was like, yeah, I want this. It comes with the 4 shades right there. We are going to swatch. I'm going to swatch this one right here. It's a nice corally color. I just want to, that's really nice. That's very, very pretty. So I am just so excited. So what do you guys think of this haul? Do you think it was worth it? I don't remember exactly how much I paid for everything, but I do know that these were like around like $9 to $6 each. I think that this was the same. The most expensive was definitely the kit from LMI. This right here. However, it was still super affordable for what I got, so I'm very happy about that. And I can't lie, getting 2 of these was like an early Christmas present for me. I am so happy that I was a part of BoxyCharm for this month so that I could get these for pop-up. And I think it was worth it. I'm very happy with the items I got. I got more skincare than makeup because, let's face it, I don't need that much more makeup, but I love more makeup. It always makes me happy. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of today's video and how are you doing. I hope you're all staying safe and I hope you're all doing well. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.